Welcome back to Good Day. So, Amanda, last week you kind of struggled a bit to open that pickle jar. The little,
Didn't work.
yeah.
Yeah, I watched that later and I was like,
No, it didn't work.
yeah, okay.
Not for me.
So hopefully you have something helpful though for us this
No
morning.
pressure, right? Yeah. Well, you know when you get a new bin or a jar, really any household item, there's a sticker.
Yeah.
On it. Well, you know, there's usually barcode, whatever.
Even the one on the bottom of the mug.
Yes, but they're like, they can be really difficult to get off. You're like picking at it, they come off in like tiny little pieces,
Yeah.
right? So I found a hack for that. Check this out. This hack is for removing stickers, stubborn ones that might be stuck on a plastic or a glass container. So all you use is your hair dryer for about 15 seconds, put some heat on there, and then it's supposed to peel off. So let's see if it works. So that was about 20 seconds. Let's see if it works. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Right. Hey, it came right off. It's magic. I like that hack. I'm going to give this one a thumbs up.
I feel like that's too good to be true.
That was like too easy.
Right, because usually they come off in like
Pieces,
little
yes.
tiny pieces.
I always thought you needed to like soak it in water and then like peel it off.
No, it's the heat, I guess, that just loosens it up. It's almost like I find that sometimes the water ends up making it
Worse.
worse.
Yes.
And then you're still left with like a residue. Like this, it took it all.
Yeah, you
I
can
was
still
gonna
see the
ask.
outline of it a little bit. Yeah.
I was going to ask if it left like a sticky or anything.
And I will say that bin, I was looking around the house for something and I'm like, I can't find anything with a sticker. And that bin, I've had it for, I don't know, at least 5, maybe 10 years. So that sticker's been on there for a minute.
It's been stuck for a while.
Yeah.
But you just, whoop, gone.
Yeah.
Clean.
Well,
Wow,
Thanks,
I didn't
Amanda.
remember
Yeah,
that.
I like that one a lot.
That's a good
There you go.
hack. Yeah,
All right.
thank you.
Happy to
Something
help today.
helpful on a Monday.